Hey there, in this video, we learn how to convert a plain text string into its base64 encoded form. This is especially useful in Node.js for encoding data in email, file transfers, and secure storage. We'll use the built-in buffer class to handle binary data conversion. Let's dive in and encode some text. Base64 encoding is a way of representing binary data in ASCII format. It is a popular format for data exchange in APIs and file uploads. We're going to convert a simple string like foobar into its base64 equivalent. Let's see how the code works using Node.js. This function takes a string and creates a buffer using binary encoding. Then, it uses toString base64 to convert that binary data into a base64 string. In our example, foobar becomes the output, ZM9VYMFY. It is compact and easy to use in any Node.js project. Let's break it down. The buffer stores the string in binary format. Then, we use toString base64 to get a safe, portable version. This method ensures capability with systems that require base64 data. It is reliable and built right into Node.js. Here are some real examples. Each character is treated as a byte and translated into a base64 block. These outputs are predictable and match encoding libraries in other languages. You can decode them back just as easily too. Base64 encoding is extremely common across platforms. You'll see it in image encoding, security tokens, and email attachments. By learning this, you can safely transmit or store any kind of text or binary data. Let's review the key takeaways. That's how you create a base64 encoded strings in JavaScript using Node.js. With just one line of code, you can transform any string into a safe, shareable format. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try this out in your own apps or API calls. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.